Okay guys, I am so sorry. It's been so many hours later. I had to go to work and I left Blue here with Brittany. I need to take a shower and he's sleeping. So I have my towel right here. There we go. And I'm just gonna bring his little blanket in the bathroom with me just because I don't want to put him in his kennel out here. And you're such a sweet boy. You're such a sweet boy. I love you. Oh my gosh, so I just took a shower. You were crying the whole time, but you were in the room. You were in the same room. Yeah, my baby. You're tired, huh? So we're gonna be going to bed. Oh, look how cute his little squid is. That's so adorable. We're going to bed now though. So I'm just gonna be brushing out my hair and we're not waiting on Brittany. Brittany's not here right now, but the shower was pretty rough. He went potty in my room, cleaned that up, took him outside, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hi guys, so it is the next day. I'm picking up the vlog. Brittany is not here at the moment. I am in my room with Blue. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? Where are you going? Oh my god. There you are. What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? That present's not for you. Oh, there you go. You're so sweet. Oh, it's okay. Oh. There you go. Such a little sweetie. But I got a package the other day and it is from Kat Von D. She like sold her company, I guess, so it is called KVD, but they still have the Kat Von D. One second. They still have, oh, is it just my lens or is it something on there? Whatever. They still have the Kat Von D names on the boxes, but it's KVD Beauty now. And it was all on sale for half off, so I got the Saint perfume because I ran out, so I have the Saint and the Sinner perfume. And yeah, this is really exciting. I just need to take it out of the box, have them side by side, and it's really cute. So I know I need to stop spending money, but, and he's looking at me like, heck yeah, Mom, you spend too much money. But I just really, really wanted this. I know I don't need it, but I figure that this will last me all year, and it was half off. So it was like $35 compared to $70. So it was worth it, bud. It was worth it, my bud. Are you sleepy? You gonna go to bed? Yeah. You gonna go to bed? Go to night-night? You go night-night? Oh. Do you see that little face? It's like, stop touching me. Oh. Okay, I'll go. I love you. Oh, my baby. He's so sweet. I need to wash my face and put on my makeup, but I don't feel right leaving him. He's so sweet. But I finished editing a video. It's exporting right now. It is currently 12:54 and I do need to go to work at 4:30, so I need to get a bunch of stuff done. Like, I just cleaned. I need to vacuum, but I don't feel right doing it while he's sleeping, so I'll probably do it later. And I figured that I would put him in his crate while I vacuum and mop, just so he's not in the way and just so he's not like as scared. We're still doing crate training. I figure that I'm going to be doing crate training to start off, and also trying to teach him not to bite people, because that's apparently like his way of interacting with us. But we need to, you know, play with him, get his energy out in a different way. Just spilt some water on the floor. That's great. I will talk to you guys when I'm recording the podcast. Okay guys, so while Blue is sleeping, I'm actually going to be doing a time lapse of me just folding my laundry and putting it all away. All of this is clean laundry. I'm doing my dirty laundry right now, but all of this is clean. I really need to fold it. Like, this is just a disaster. Ugh. But yeah, time for a time lapse. Okay guys, so I actually have to go to work. This one needs to go into his kennel. Come on, you gotta go in the kennel, yeah. And I will talk to you guys after my shift. See ya.
Eventually.
Hey guys, good morning. So my room is dark because Blue is sleeping. And I want to title this video how to get things done while you have a new puppy. Because having a new puppy is kind of like having a new baby. Kind of like having a new baby. But having a new puppy is kind of like having a baby. That's why it's so dark in here. Like, I have the curtains drawn just so Blue can like sleep and everything. But I've heard that having a new baby is really hard, and I'm not comparing that to this at all. You know, like, I just heard it's a little bit similar. I know this is a lot easier because a new baby is just, oh my gosh, I can't even imagine. But I just want to share with you what I've been doing. Oh my gosh, the lighting is terrible. I just want to share with you all what I've been doing to basically stay on track with everything in my life and not be like sidetracked or anything, just because I have a new puppy and I have to meet his needs and tend to him now as well, just like how you would a baby, but not as intense, I wouldn't imagine. So I just opened the curtain just a little bit just to have the lighting a little bit better. But he's such a good boy, you know, he's such a good boy. Like, my roommate was really nervous that first night, so I took him with me up to the mountains to the farm, as you saw in one of the previous videos. But no, he's just such a good boy. I really need to do my hair and makeup before I go to work, and I need to record the podcast and upload a video, so it helps that, you know, he's a puppy and he's able to sleep quite a bit, so I'm able to get laundry done and stuff like that, like earlier. Hi, good morning. Hi. No, that is not for you. That's not for you, baby. That is not for you. Let go. But yeah, just opening the curtain just a little bit made this whole situation so much better. But I need to put on my makeup. Yes. Okay, so Brittany just took Blue outside. So like another thing that is so helpful. Okay, so Brittany just took Blue outside to go to the restroom. Like, he went number 1 on his pee pad, but he has to go number 2. So he went outside with her, which is my first kind of tip is it's so nice to have someone there to help you, whether it's your roommate, your, you know, boyfriend, girlfriend, your mom, your dad, your sibling, someone, anyone, you know, like, as long as it's not just you, it's a little bit more manageable and not as overwhelming, so any kind of help helps, basically. So I'm going to be doing my hair. I already have lunch out. I'm just going to have a leftover sandwich from last night from work, and yeah, so I will see you guys. I don't want to do my hair right now. I'm going to do my hair after I eat, so I will see you guys at the table. Okay, so another tip for being productive while you still have a puppy is take advantage of when they're sleeping. Like, puppies sleep a whole lot. It's so crazy. You know, like, Blue was literally just sleeping, I want to say, for an hour. And I was, you know, I was chilling out. I was catching up on some YouTube, but I also was working, you know, on the podcast. So I'm glad that Brittany is awake and everything, taking him outside with her son, so I can actually like upload this video and record the podcast. So just take advantage of the time that your puppy is sleeping during the day. Okay, so I am done eating. I'm like really full. I might like snack on some guac a little later because I got the individual little packs from Costco. But I just wanted to hop in here and do my hair. But before that, I wanted to share with you all another tip that I have about being productive while having a puppy. And that is basically like getting crate training down, because I had to leave for work. I felt so bad leaving him, but I had to go to work, you know what I mean? I had to go to the hospital, so we're working on crate training right now. It's still a work in progress. He still cries. I still feel really bad leaving, but you know, he was only in there for, I want to say, like 50 minutes, and then Brittany came home from the grocery store and running errands and doing all of her stuff, so it wasn't that bad. But I'm gonna have to do that. Am I gonna have to? No, Brittany's gonna be home all day today, but I had to do that the other day as well, because unfortunately I had to clean the floor, like sweep, vacuum, mop everything, and I didn't want him to be in the way. I didn't want him to be scared by the vacuum, and I also didn't want him chewing on any of the wires involved, so I had to put him in the crate. I was right there the whole time. He still cried when I wasn't in his direct line of vision, which was very sad, but you know, like, you gotta do what you gotta do. He was perfectly fine. He was safe. He had water, he had treats, he had toys and a blanket, so I knew he was okay. But it was just really still heartbreaking. But you know, it's something that I need to work on with him, and Brittany needs to work on with him, just the crate training in general. So I have actually a YouTube video from Zach George, I want to say his name is, and he talks about everything when it comes to puppy training. So I'm just working on every single video that he has, like a playlist or something for training puppies, so I'm just going by that, because during COVID I doubt they have puppy training classes at Petco and places like that, PetSmart, so we're just doing that for now until everything is lifted. But yeah, crate training, super important. So I just wanted to hop on here during the whole editing process, because I am editing right now. Another tip that I have in regards to being productive while you still have a puppy is, if you're able to do anything from your phone, I strongly encourage you to do so. I use the Evernote app, and I'm on there just editing notes for clients for sessions. I'm on there editing outlines for the podcast. Yeah, it's just such a great app, and I use it over, I want to say, 2 or 3 devices. So just using it outside when I'm with Blue and everything while he's relieving himself, or just outside in general with him, it's just really nice and helpful. Plus, I'm just able to catch up on phone calls. I'm able to do a whole bunch of things. So utilize your phone to the best of your ability when it comes to productivity regarding having a puppy. You guys, so I am all ready for the day. I'm gonna go see Trevor and then I'm gonna go to work. But I just wanted to share with you my one last tip, and that's just to wear your dog out so much to the point where they're just gonna take naps during the day. So, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.